Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe. So in this module, I'm going to give some introduction about sets. This is our first course on sets. So what is meant by set? A set is a collection of things that have something in common or follow rule. The things in the set are called elements. Set notation uses braces, that is curly braces, with elements separated by commas. And the common rule decides the elements of the set. So what is our first thing? Set means it will contain some elements with the curly braces. Let's write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I am written up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 1 is called element, 2 is called element, 3 is also called element, 4 is called element, 5 is called element, 6 is called elements. All are elements that are distinct. Distinct means element should be distinct, means different. Distinct means different. So if you take 1, 2, 3, take 2, 3, 4. So let's take, this is the set A will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, can you say set A? Can you say set A? No. Here 2 is repeating 2 times. 2 is repeating 2 times. So we cannot say A is a set. We cannot say A is a set. It should contain, the set which will contain only distinct elements, means you can write 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this one, okay. The element should not repeat. Elements should not repeat. The elements which should not repeat. Then for all the things we'll write some elements. The sets will going to represent with some letters, capital letters with the curly braces, and we can write the elements in that. Can you write anything? Can you write whatever we want? So let's take set B will be equal to A, B, C, D, E. So alphabets you can write, this all are distinct things. Then we'll write set C will be equal to even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. We can write like that. You can write set D will be equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are all odd. These are all even. This is alphabet. It's a combination of letters capital A, B and C, D. Next, we'll write for the set natural numbers. Then E will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. That is natural numbers. Next, we'll write prime numbers. F will be equal to 2 will come first. Prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on it will come. Next, we'll write whole numbers with G. 0, 1, 2, 3 up to there. So it is a So it is a combination of all the elements. We'll write all the sets like this. So some other sets we'll write. How to write is, let's write some set X will be equal to, you can write words also. I want to write some fruits name, apple, orange, banana, comma, kiwi. So how I am writing here with the open braces and words with the separated by commas. So can you write anything, whatever you want? Yes, you can write any names. So what you can write here is classes also write. Class 6, class 7, class 8, class 9, class 10. So here we are separated all with commas. Sets you can write like this also. So please subscribe.